What you doing? What you doing?
Eating toast.
Eating toast? You watching the shows? What are you watching?
Superhero, Mama.
Superheroes? Are you a superhero?
No.
Oh. What are you?
I'm Noah.
You're Noah. Okay. How old are you?
3 years old.
3 years old? And do you like summertime or wintertime?
Wintertime and summertime too.
Oh, like them both? Can you say, Gaga, I love you?
Gaga, I love you.
Say, Grandpa, I love you?
Grandpa, I love you.
Say, I miss you both?
I miss you both.
I love you, little man.
I love you, Mama.
Okay. Bye.